How to use plugins. If you want to add some controls to your control manager, you can add some extensions. For that, navigate under the Project Explorer to the point Plugins. Now you can see a list of DLLs which you can install. If you hover over the DLL, you can see a nice little preview what is included in this DLL. If you like the arrows, just select them and hit the arrow button to install them. Now you can see the arrow DLL is in our installed DLL list, and you can see in the control manager a new tab Extensions arrow run as well.